session. Okay. So I have copied in the message section. I will be pasting some assignment. Can you practice those things? Like it just creating variables and all. Okay. Please copy the assignment from the chat box. Okay. Meanwhile, I'll be going through the lessons. So operators will now we will discuss about the operators, and today we will cover as much as we can like operators. I don't want to clear much today. Like I'll go with the assignment operators and wind up the class. Okay. It's assignment operators and arithmetic operators because these two are very easy, simple. Okay. After that, I will stop the I'll call for the day. Okay. So operators are used to combine. Operators are allow us to combine two or more expressions to form a complex complex expression, like a complex object, complex conditions. Okay. So in there, like there are majorly there are five types of operators are there. One is assignment operators. So assignment operators are simply so equal to this is an assignment operators. Single equal to is an assignment operator. Okay. What it will do is it just assign some value left side or right side of the value to the left side of the variable. Okay. So in the assignment operators, we have a different types of operators. I will be explaining you the all the first three operators, and can you take it as an assignment and do the what the result is you're getting for the rest of remaining four? Is it fine for you? Hello. Guys, make it interactive. I cannot only speak and please ask questions. Then only you learn. Like even though the question is like a very simple one, I can answer. Try to. Okay.
Can you explain me once again? I didn't get you.
Yeah, that
Uh, yep.
remaining of
Operators are like operators will combine operators will combine two or more expressions and com will result into a combined expression like as a, suppose so this is an expression like uh, where 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 sum is equal to, okay, so I declared one variable like where a equal to 56, okay, where b equal to 65, where 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 c equal to 48. Okay, these are the expressions or statements. Okay, are you clear till this one? This is an expression or a statement. So if I wanted to like a sum is should be the this will give a plus b plus c. So now and s will what s will do? Hey, s will some this addition operator will add the a to the b and b to the c, and after that this assignment operators, whatever the sum or whatever the result we are getting from this addition, that will be assigned to the variable sum, right? This is a simple operation. Clear? Still any confusion? The operations may be a mathematical operations or a logical operations, whatever it may be. The so these operators will require like a operands. It will do the so operands operator, whatever it is. This is the operator. Here plus is an operator. Okay, plus is an operator, and A, B, C are the operands. In mathematics, if you want to sum two numbers, how many number like oh, what is the operator between those two numbers? It is a plus, right? Addition.
Yes, right.
Yep. Clear or any doubts on this?
Oh, it's clear.
It's just a operation. Operation means anything, anything, uh, any action that you're performing on the variables or strings or statements within the program. That is all. Okay. Here there are we have a different types of operators like assignment operators. They will assign some value. The name itself uh, tells you that it will assign some value to the some other variable. So assignment operators are always flow in a right to left manner. Means right side whatever the value of the operator, right side operator will be assigned to the left side operator. Okay, here it is. 56 is the value. Okay, so equal to is assignment operator, and the right side test is a variable. So this operators equal to operators, what it does is it will assign 56 to the variable test. Okay, and arithmetic operators are like the all these arithmetic operations like a plus, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulo, and square. Okay, all these are arithmetic operations. The comparison operation is like a double equal to, triple equal to, greater than or less than, or a less than or equal to, greater than or equal to are the comparison operators. Logical operators are like a and or and negation, inversion, negation or inversion. So and operators is like a when all the inputs are true, then only the resultant is true. This is the condition for OR operator to be true. So and sorry. So for the OR operators, so given inputs at least one should be true. There is a then the resultant will be true. Okay. This negation operator is used to negate the result. Suppose you are getting false. Negation of false is true. It just gives the opposite value of that boolean. This all these trees for the boolean values. Okay, these operations can be done only on the boolean values. Okay, and increment and decrement, we have a increment and decrement operators. Like in the for loop we will see this what increment and decrement are. It is a ternary operator. It is a special kind of operator. So we will discuss this in the conditional statements. We will be having this in the ternary operators as well. So we will it will comes under operator, but it is a conditional statement. Okay. So now the yeah, now within the we will discuss today these two things like arithmetic assignment operators. So equal to is simply it will assign the right side value to the left side value. Okay. So suppose same thing, gs dot so info of sum equal to. So if I print this, so 160 it will sums up the all the. So parallelly we will also discuss about the arithmetic operators. Okay, I think it is better to go with the first. Okay, so it will sums up all the variables in the statement, and it will store the result into the sum. So this is sum. So this is a simple assignment operator equal to. It just it don't do any additional operation. It just do the right side value to the left side variable. Okay, after that we have this one. So plus or equal to, what it will does is, so if I add 1 to the a, so if I add 1 to the a, what will be the resultant? 57, right? What I have to do, I have to do, so if I want to add one increment 1 or a 2 to the a, what I have to do? A equal to a plus 2, a plus 2. What it will do is, first always the sequences go from the for the assignment operators, always the sequences go from the right to left. So even though no matter a is holding 5, what it will does is, first it will add 2 to the a, and it will reassign it to the a. Okay, if I print a here, gs dot info of a, so you will get a 57, 58, sorry, 50, 56 plus 2 equal to 58, right? So I can also achieve this by the assignment operator. I'm just commenting it out. What I have to do is plus or equal to. This will also give you the same result. So this is equivalent to this one. This is equivalent to equal to. Okay. Wherever you see, if it is a plus sum plus 2, if it is the so if I'm adding d here, where d equal to where d equal to 78. So if I want to add 78 to the d, what I will do, generally sum equal to sum plus d. Sum plus d. Sorry. Okay. Sum plus d. It will give you the. Okay, I'm using this. I should be using this after this. Okay. So for the first term, sum value is what? 168. After that, I have added d to the sum. After that, it is 247. I can also do like this. I can also do like this as well. Plus d. Okay. Plus or equal to d. So this will also give you the same result. Clear? Hello.
Yeah, it's clear.
Any doubts? Like if you this kind of a variables, what it will does is, it will perform on that self variable, that variable, this minus. So if I put minus here instead of plus, if I put minus, it will subtract d from the sum and then give the result. Okay. What else we have
Okay.
after that? Multiplication. Same thing. It will multiply sum with d. Okay, and it will assign that resultant to the sum 13,182. Can you do for the remaining things? I will share you. I believe you have this link, right?
Can you ex yeah, can you explain the last one?
Last one, it is a square. It is a square.
Okay. Okay, right, correct.
Just double star means it is square. So what it will do, I'll do it square here instead of here. 13, 31, 36. It is a just squaring that result.
Okay. Got
Square
it.
by 2. Okay.
Yeah.
Any doubts? Can you do the remaining two things? Just two. This one is division and one is modulo.
Yeah,
Okay.
sure.
Yeah, it is a so arithmetic operations also same. We by looking at this arithmetics are also same like so addition operation will do the addition between the statements whatever strings. If you have a suppose where I am just declaring one variable called x. In x I wanted to place that two, so addition 2 plus 7. If I print gs dot x, sorry, x, it will print to the sum, right? So this can be anything. It no need to be it has to be number. It also string. If it's a hello world, if I want to print hello world, hello space, okay, instead of world, if I can print, okay, so it will concatenate the two words when you, and this addition have a special special abilities. So it will also call like a typecaster, like a it, this addition operation will convert different types of different type of data types into the string type. Okay, so if you, so here this addition is what is doing, it is doing arithmetic operation between the numbers, right? So if you do the thing like if you are adding c is containing, suppose c is containing test, okay, 169, okay, sorry, suppose okay, c is containing text, right? C is containing test and 76. So C is containing test. So test is a string. Okay, you were doing so addition operation between the numbers, and the C is containing test. So so in this case, what it will does is it will do it will do addition between the AB, and the C is a different data type. C is not a number. Then what it will does is it will it will do the type conversion here. Now if you see the type of operator, type of sum will be the string. because it is converted into the string. This is called cohesion in JavaScript terms. It is called cohesion. Cohesion means converting one data type to the another data type. This plus has the ability to convert the data type, different data types into string. Clear? It is called cohesion or a type cohesion or a type casting. We can call it with a number of names. Clear? Or any doubts?
For me, it's clear.
Others? Please ask questions, so then only we can learn. This typecasting is we will use everywhere in JavaScript. We will use in business rules. We will so in service now we will use very often this operator because we if we wanted to set some field, so that field is a resultant of two fields. Suppose there is an incident field, so you want to set an short description by adding username, caller name, and the caller's location. So how will you do that in that case? You have to use this concatenation operator. It is also concatenate the two strings. Okay, but if you put the minus, it won't happen. Minus won't do any such thing. Minus only work on minus, uh, division, all other arithmetic operations, whatever you see. These will be applied only on the numbers, number types. Only plus has the ability to do the to work on the different data types. Okay, clear? Hello. Mm.
Yes, yeah, it's clear.
Okay, thank you. So I will be okay. Can you practice remaining for tomorrow? Can you
Yeah,
practice
sure.
this thing? Just a
Okay,
simple
no
things.
worries.
Okay. So we will practice these things tomorrow. Please let me know if you have any questions or if you stuck at some place, and try to do the remaining things like try to do the addition subtraction operations on a strings, and let me know the resultant. Okay, whether you can do
Okay.
it or not, and copy the assignment from the chat box so that you won't lose it
Here,
after.
here I have one doubt.
Mhm.
Where is the line number 5?
Line number 5. Okay.
There is we have given double quotes, no?
Double quotes.
Is
Test
it
is a string.
mandatory to? Okay, fine.
Strings always start
Okay. If
always
I give,
wrap with
yeah, if
the
I give single quotes, what will happen?
single quotes also. Single quote also.
Okay.
So if you are starting any string with the double quotes, you must have to end with the double quotes. So I cannot use like this. I'm starting with the double quote and I'm ending with the single quote. It is not work like that. Okay.
Yeah, yeah, right.
If I'm starting with a double quote, I have to end with the double quote. And if I'm starting with a I single quote, I have to end with the
Single
single
quotes.
quote. So in case within the string, I wanted to highlight one. If I wanted to double quote one letter, suppose if I want to double quote E, so so in such cases you have to start the double quote. You have to start the single quote and use the double quote. So what it will do
Okay.
is it will, we are using Tata. So in this case, you will see the double quotes at a E. Okay.
Okay.
If you want to
Okay.
put the single quote around E, so i- so if you don't put use double quotes, the string is started here and the string is ended here. So when the JavaScript interpreter looking at that first double quote, whenever it see any string, it will always checks for the closing single quote, that is immediately it found immediately. So it will consider it this only as a string. So e is a, so in this case it will throw some error. See, it is error,
Yeah, right.
semicolon.
Right.
It is expecting semicolon here because it is not a variable, it is not a string, it is nothing. Okay. So
Yeah,
in this case, I have to start with the double quote, I have to end with the double quote. Now it will consider it as it is looking for the it is started, JavaScript interpreter started, so it's a double quote. So it is immediately it is looking for the double quote. So it is it will read each and every character. So it is single quote, it is not the double quote. So it will ignore, it will consider it as a string. And when it comes to the double quote, it will consider it like it is ended. So if you see, E has a single
yeah,
quote on
right.
it. Okay.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
There is a one more escape sequences that we will discuss later. How to use even though if I want to use the double quote, I can use it. But be, before that,
So
you
instead
have.
of test, if I give any numbers, it will be the same.
So if I give any number here,
Yeah.
it will work. It won't. It will work, but it will be. See, appending that 44, it will consider that 44 as a string, and it will append that 44 after the resultant of the first two numbers.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, now
Okay.
because it is a string, right? So
Yeah, yeah,
it
right.
will do the same. It will consider it as a string. So whenever you are doing any arithmetic addition operation, numbers with the string, so it will always convert that into a string. Okay,
Okay. Because we have given the double quotes,
string,
no?
correct? Because it is not the number.
Yeah, yeah, right.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yep. Can you please all do the I'll requesting you to put some message now so that I will segregate you from the normal list. So from tomorrow I will send you that a different link. That will be in a Google Meet link for some time. I will purchase a Zoom subscription soon, and I will share you that. There is no disturbances in the class. I don't want interruption to the class. Okay, clear? Um,
Yeah, it's clear, it's clear.
yep. Then we can call for the data.
Yeah, sure. Thank you. All right.
Thank you so much, guys. I will be updating this class to the drive and I'll share with you. Okay.
Yep, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, please message me on WhatsApp. Don't forget. I'll have to segregate the people. Bye bye. Have a great day.
Goodbye.